If you ever find yourself wishing you could get paid to watch videos online, we have very good news for you. Watch this until the end. Making money from watching videos is a lot easier than you may think. And considering you'll likely be spending plenty of time watching films, clips, and ads online anyway, it is such an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. And don't worry, it's free to watch and no investments are needed anyway. So subscribe and like this video. Now let's get started. Share with your friend, boys. It's an ideal way to make money, plus all of the videos related to work experience will boost your CV and help you get a job related to films, TV, or digital media. There is a lot of ways to watch videos for money, and we will get through the best options here. So, number one, Swagbucks. The type of videos you will be shown on this website. Expect plenty of short clips like ads, news, content, and viral videos. By watching videos on the site, you may not earn a huge amount of money, but it's such an easy way, we definitely think it's worth trying. Plus, when you use it alongside the other suggestions in this list, your earning will be quickly add up. No referral link, so you will find this website in the description below. So, to sign up in this video, as you can see, to sign up in this website, get free credit card cash for the everyday thing you do online. Here is how. Earn a point and then, so basically what he will do after you watch videos or different of stuff, even visiting some websites, so you will earn point, and those points you will change them for a gift card, either PayPal, Amazon, Walmart. So they paid over $400 million to their customers. So you just click here, sign up, or with your Facebook account, but just sign up here. Click sign up, fill in your email address, password, and confirm it, and that's all. So it's just an easy way to start, and you put your head in online business. So now the number two is subtitles for films as a freelancer. If you are looking to build your CV with film related experience, it's definitely worth thinking about writing subtitles for videos online on a freelance basis. Often, video creator will look for a freelancer who can write up subtitles for their films, perhaps to make them more accessible for people with hearing loss, or to upload transcripts when posting YouTube videos. As subtitles and transcripts can be quite time consuming to write, videos make very well look for freelancers to do this for them, which where you come in. On the site like Fiverr, you can find freelancers offering to write video subtitles for free. Have a look at what other freelancers are charging for an idea of prices, and be sure to post rates that you think are fair but competitive. As a guideline, though we have seen freelancers on Fiverr often starting their rates at £4 to write subtitles. This is Fiverr. So you will find voiceover, WordPress, logo design, video explainer. You can just look for subtitles like that, and here I will translate, create, and add subtitle for your video, $5. So you can just start with those, and you can just start your account with here, join, and yeah, you can join. It's easy to use, okay? You will find the link in the description below. So let's continue. And as a bonus, then look for commission editors or for relevant publication. Reach out to them directly and pitch them your idea. So it's a lot of work, but it's worth it, you know. So the number five, watching ads, movie trailers, and more money on Erazo, Erazo.com. Erazo is another reward site that lets you earn points for doing loads of very easy things like watching interesting videos, playing games, and answering survey questions. The video includes short films, cooking tutorials, movie trailers, app advert, and more. All you need to do is watch them, and you can earn Erazo points. Then once you earn over 3000 points, you can claim your first reward on the site, including selection vouchers as well as cash paid through PayPal. Number 6. Watch advert for PayPal money on SuccessBox. SuccessBox is a pay-to-click site that allow you to earn cash from watching adverts, something that requires so little work it's almost free money. You can request the money you earn in the site pretty quickly after you start completing tasks. There is a minimum payout, just $1, around £18 for starting and premium members, and you can receive this money through PayPal. As with other recommended sites on this list that pay you to watch the videos, the more you branch out the success box, the more you earn. As well as watching videos, it's also worth trying out the other money making tasks on like answering surveys and referring your friends. And this is the most website that we use to earn money. And yeah, so keep subscribe and watch and wait for other videos. If you want related videos to e-commerce and dropshipping, just leave a comment and I will leave them below. So goodbye. And as a bonus, if you speak another language, this is even better as you can charge extra to translate videos on a freelance basis, not to mention that it's bound to impress future employers. So if you are speaking multiple languages, you can translate to multiple times. That will offer you more money to earn. Okay, number 3, making money watching videos on inbox pounds. So inbox pounds work in a similar way to Swagbucks, letting you earn cash for super simple things like watching videos and taking surveys. Again, you may not make big money on here, but the more tasks you do alongside watching videos, the more money you can make. Even reading inbox pounds deals, email, or searching the internet on their search page, you can earn cash. So, number 4, become a film and TV reviewer. So, if you are hoping to make a living from watching videos, becoming a film or TV reviewer, it's probably the best, most established way to doing so. It's by no means easy to reach the point of writing about videos as a full-time job, but with hard work, decision, and strong grasp of writing word, you can do it. So, films and TV are very competitive lines of work. If you are thinking about writing on a freelance basis, you will need to start off by charging lower rates to reflect your level of experience. But remember, you deserve to be paid for your work, so don't accept payment lower than you think is fair just because you are starting out. So, to prepare for a full-time job as a film or TV critic, it's worth looking into internship, boost your CV. Unfortunately, not all journalism internship pay well or at all in some cases, but check out pressbed.com for help with accommodation during internship placement. And if you do find yourself on unpaid internship, so supporting yourself financially during the placement can help you. Okay, once you start to build up your portfolio of reviews and make a name for yourself, you can gradually increase your rates and take a bigger commission. Pitching articles, idea about films and TV shows to editors. To start getting commissioned for films or TV reviewers as freelancer, it's worth setting up a blog to showcase your writing style and your talent.